On this video, I'm going to show you how to create new purchase orders from existing ones. This Excel spreadsheet is already connected to my Oracle instance, and I have brought up the template corresponding to the standard purchase orders. Let's download some existing purchase orders. We provide two download options, a download via form and download via sheet. Download via sheet consists in entering criteria in the spreadsheet. You can use criteria marked with a little arrow, then highlight your list of criteria and choose this download option. Then you can clear these existing purchase order numbers, put the upload action create. You can use the default values row to default this value on all purchase orders. You can change anything you like on the PO. You can type the data in or use Excel formula. Then, when your dataset is ready, you can upload, choosing the Upload option, Upload All. To upload all rows on this tab, the module will start with validation and then upload valid records to Oracle using Oracle REST services. These POs have been successfully created, they have an accepted status, and the PO numbers have been put back on the sheet at the end of the upload.